Hi, I'd like to show you the easy way of squaring numbers between 11 and 19. First of all, let's take a look at number 11 squared. It'll be a three-step process. First, we're going to cover up one of the tens digits. So we have 11 and a 1 remaining. We're going to add those together. 11 plus 1 is 12. Next, we're going to add a 0, make it 120. Then we're going to cover up the two numbers, the two tens digits, and we're going to multiply 1 times 1, which of course is 1, and then we'll add those. 11 squared will be the sum of 120 plus 1 for 121. When we do 12 squared, it'll be the same way. We're going to cover up the tens digit, so we'll have 12 and 2. We add those two together. 12 plus 2 is 14, and we add a 0. We cover up the other one, and we get 2 times 2, which is 4, and we add that together to the 140 plus 4. We get 144. It's that easy. 13 squared, we cover up the tens digit. We get 13 plus 3, which is 16. We add a 0. Then we take 3 times 3, which is 9, and we add that together, and your answer is 169. The rest of them are the same way. See if you can finish them before I do. 14 squared, we cover up the 1. We add 14 plus 4, which is 18. We add a 0. To that we add the product of 4 times 4, which is 16. We add those together, and we get a 196. This is too easy. 16 squared, cover up the 1. Take 16 plus 6, which is 22, add a 0, then take the product of 6 times 6, which is 36, and add them together. Your answer will be 256. It's that easy. 19 squared, cover up the 1, take 19 plus 9, which is 28, add a 0, take the product of 9 times 9, which is 81, and add them together. And your answer is 361. See if you can finish the last before I do. 15 squared, cover up the 1. We get 15 plus 5 for 20. Add a 0. To that we add the product of 5 times 5, which is 25. And our answer there is simply 225. 17 squared, we'll cover up the 1. Take 17 plus 7, which is 24, add a 0, 240. Take the product of 7 times 7, which is 49, and add them, 289. The last one, 18 squared, cover up the 10. 18 plus 8 is 26, add a 0. Take the product of 8 times 8, which is 64, and add them together. We get 324. Now this will work for all numbers squaring between 11 to 19. Here's a trick. If we square 10 squared, your answer will be 100, and if we take 20 squared, your answer will be 400. So all numbers that are between these 10 and 20 squared will have a product between 1 and 400. Thank you.